Well, welcome back to Channel Run. Today I'm going to be talking about my camera real quick, what I've been using. I just did a video on kind of behind the scenes of what I use for equipment. And one of the comments I got was, I can't believe you're still using an iPad after all these years. Well, I have tried an upper scale camera. I think it was a DSLR camera. But I really kind of like the point and click and shoot and just get it over with without having to worry about a bunch of settings. I love this iPad. I just kind of turn it on and it works. It just works. It's going to fail eventually. I know it will. But for right now, I really like the iPad because it just works. The other question I got was the lens that I'm using. I've tried a lot of these clip-on lenses. They're fantastic. I started out using them on my phone. I got several of them that I like. The one I'm using right now, it seems to be my favorite. I've had this for many years. In fact, I'm not even sure I can still get this. I'm going to actually look and see if I can. If I do, I'll put a link down below. So I'll go ahead and I'll pull that lens off so you can kind of see the difference. Okay, so that's without the lens on there, and this is the lens that I'm using right here, a little clip-on lens. These are all over Amazon. You can pick these up really cheap. I think I paid 20 bucks for this. And this particular one is a 0.45x super wide angle lens, and this is my go-to lens for a lot of different things. So this is without the lens, and then this is going to be with it. So you can see it really makes a huge difference. I really like this lens. These ones here are about the same. They don't do a whole lot more different than what that one is. I'm not exactly sure what the lens on this one here is, the number on this one. This was a 0.6x wide angle lens. Works okay. This one here is about the same as I have right there. This is a newer lens, but it's a bit glommy. But if you look around, you'll find the right lens that you want for your camera. So the other question that I got was, is this all I use? No, my go-to camera a lot of times is my GoPro. I love this GoPro. This is an old one. This is a Hero 3X. Again, point click, it just works. It's just fantastic. I got multiple batteries for this, so this is my go-to if I'm not using the iPad. And I'll generally use a lot of these in tandem. You'll see I'll do a lot of my B-roll on this. So if I'm not using the GoPro, if I'm not using the iPad, and if I'm in a pinch, I'll use my phone, and that works pretty good. It's just a regular Android phone. Once in a while, I'll have a little handy camera that I'll be using, but for the most part, it's going to be my iPad and it's going to be my GoPro. As far as the brackets go, I've gotten a lot of these brackets over the years on what to use for the GoPro. And real quickly, small rig, it took me a while. It's a bit more expensive using this brand, but you will not regret it one bit. I've had these for quite some time, and you'll be surprised at how durable those are. So this one here, I've got a couple of attachments here that will go on this GoPro. But what's nice about this is you can put this on almost anything. Channel line, a piece of pipe, whatever you want, and it's durable. You'll be real impressed with that. The other nice mount that goes with that is the magnetic mount that you can put on the hood of your vehicle or whatnot. The other one that I'll use, and I just used this on my last video doing the behind the scenes, is the traditional selfie stick. Okay, this one here is a monopod. It's not one of the cheaper ones. It's a nicer one, and it's really rugged. So I'll use that once in a great while. And if you want to know what I'm attaching my iPad to, it's just an iPad mount. And this will, you can put quite a few different types of iPads in here. You just slide it in, you tighten it down, and then you're off and going. So I've got several of these. I've got several of these tripods in different areas, so I don't have to carry my tripod around with the same mount. I think you'll be happy with those. This one here is good if you want to stick on a car or whatnot, or see the roof of the car. The suction cup, that works pretty good as well. And you can get this stuff a nice package deal on all those. This is a cheaper model of what I just showed you of the small rig. This one here is all metal. This one's plastic. I really don't like these. I've broken a couple of these, but if you're looking to get into it cheap, these work okay too. And that's pretty much it that I have for my arsenal when it comes to filming. So to answer your question, yes, I am still using the iPad. I like it. It works. It's just the way it is. I know it probably doesn't have the quality as the fancy cameras, but that's just the way I am. I want to be quick, simple, get the job done. Well, thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.